Alright guys, good evening. Alright, we are on another tutorial today. Today I will be showing you some basic licks for worship songs and for your playing, for your jazz playing. And today we'll be covering some licks, 5 good licks for your worship songs. And the first one is so first note there is do re mi so. Right. Do re mi so mi re do. Do re mi so mi re do. Alright, but I'm kind of a little bit fast, okay? So when you are playing it, you will not play it like a kind of playing out the notes. Understand? You will not play out the notes, you will slide the notes. Like this is what I'm playing. Okay? So when I playing do re mi so mi re do. Alright, so that is the first lick. So the second lick there is alright, so what am I playing there? Alright, I'm starting with the fifth note there. So do ti so mi do ti so. So do ti so re do ti so. Alright. So do ti so re do ti so. Alright, for those that works with the number systems, I'm playing the fifth note and go to the one note and go to the seventh note and come back to the fifth note, go to the second note and go to the one note again. Then from this one note you can still play it up again. You can play that. So when you are going to this one note, which is the do there, you slide from the re to the do. Alright, that is number 2. Number 3, you play something like alright. So what am I playing there? I'm playing do fa mi re mi so do. So that is what I'm playing there. Alright. So for the third licks there, you start from your one note, which is the do, go to your 4th note, which is the 4th note, which is va, then you go to your mi. Understand? So when you go to your mi, you slide from this your re, which is the 2nd note, to the 3rd note again, which is mi. Then go to your 5th note there, which is so. Understand? So when you play it, you go back to the 1 note, which is the do there. Okay? So this is how it sounds. Right? That is the 3rd lick there. So the 4th lick there, as I told you guys, is you can play something like this. So what am I playing there? I'm starting from the 6th note, which is the la. La ti do ti la so mi. Alright. So, but when you are playing it, you don't need to play it single note, you need to slide it out, okay? Okay, so that is the fourth note, the fourth licks there. So the fifth licks is, you can play something like, so what am I playing there? You can start from your fifth note there, which is the saw. You slide to your one note. So la re do. Hope you guys are seeing. Okay, then the second inversion there is your re and your saw, your re and your saw. All right, start from your re, saw, mi, la. Okay, all right. I will be covering a video that I will be applying all those scales, all those licks, so that you can be able to understand how it works and function. All right, so those are the basic licks you can apply in your worship or your jazz soloing. Okay, so the first one is, you can play something like, or you can play. Okay, so that's the basic lick. Right, see you in the next video. Okay, I'll be covering. Thanks for watching.